Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. See, what is our first lesson we have learned in the previous classes? Food and digestion. Okay. Next our second lesson is of teeth and microbes. Okay, what is our lesson name? Teeth and microbes. Okay, whole first lesson notes also I have prepared. By evening I'll give you not PDF, I'll make a video on that and send for you. Okay, now we shall discuss the second chapter. What is our lesson name? Teeth and microbes. Teeth are very useful for us. Yes or no? If you want to eat anything with the help of what you'll eat? With the teeth only. Whatever food we ate, we send into the mouth with the help of the teeth. We chew it and we eat them. Yes or no? This is the importance of the teeth. Your beauty also comes with the teeth only. Yes or no? When you open your mouth, okay, in your face, from most beauty will comes from teeth only. If your teeth are dirty, means how dirty it will be there? Yes or no? There is much importance of the teeth. Now we shall learn about this teeth in detail. Okay, before starting the lesson, they have given you some activities. See here, stand in front of a mirror, open your mouth and look at your teeth. Count the number of teeth you have and fill the blanks given below. Okay, what they have told, they ask you to stand in front of mirror and they are asking you to do these bits. First one is what? I have dash teeth in my mouth. Okay, how many teeth you are having? I don't know. No, after this class completed, go in front of the mirror, count your number of teeth and write there in the blank. Okay, I have dash teeth in my mouth. How many are having? Count and write. Second one is what? The color of my gums is dash. Gums means what? Above the teeth will have no chigullu antam kadana. Those only are called as gums. That will be in which color? Pink. 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 Okay. See. Next. If we stand in front of a mirror and open our mouth, we can see our teeth located in the upper and lower jaws. Our teeth help us to eat. They also give shape to our face and help us to speak properly. Yes or no? How many teeth will have? If you observe properly, what will be there? Upper jaw will be there, lower jaw will be there. Yes or no? Upside some teeth will be there, low side some teeth will be there. What will these teeth do? They will help us in eating and they also gives shape to our face. Okay, and if you are having proper teeth only, you can speak properly. Suppose if you see old man or old woman, if you see old people, they will not have teeth properly. That is why they can't speak properly. What they are saying, we can't listen. Why? Because they are not having teeth properly. So teeth is that much important for us. See here, they have given an old person's speech may not be clear due to lesser number of teeth in his or her mouth. Yes or no? If he gives any speech, it will be not clear. Why? Because he will have some less teeth. His age has become old, no, some tooth will be losing. So we can't understand properly what they are saying. Okay, now we shall see how many types of teeth are there. Okay, there are two sets of teeth for everybody, for all of us. What are they? Temporary set of teeth and permanent set of teeth. What is meant by temporary? Temporary means it will be not there forever. Okay, for some time it will be there and later it will be going. But permanent means forever it will be there. Okay, that is the meaning of the temporary and permanent. Temporary means only for some time it will be there and permanent means forever it will be there. So in our tooth there will be these two types, temporary tooth and permanent teeth. Now first one we shall learn about the temporary teeth. What is meant by temporary teeth? What all you are having now. Okay, those are called as the temporary teeth. Temporary teeth can also be called as milk teeth. Suppose a baby is there. Now only she was born. Okay, now only she was born. Will she have any teeth? No, she will not have any teeth. Zero teeth she will have for newborn baby. Then when she will get teeth? After becoming after 6 months she will be getting teeth. Till that what she will eat? She can't eat food. No, she is not having teeth. If we are having teeth only, we can eat any food. That time what she will do, she will take all liquids, means like milk, water, those only she or he should take. A newborn baby, because they are not having teeth. And when she comes to 6 months, okay, from 0 months to 6 months, when she came, what will happen? Teeth will be starting coming one by one, okay. When the girl or boy comes to 6 months, the teeth will be coming one after one. And next, after 6 months, when the child became 3 years old, means like you are LKG maybe, in 3 years means you will be in LKG. That time what will happen? First set of teeth, that I told no, temporary teeth, they will come. How many will come? 20 will come. So what they'll ask, how many temporary teeth are there? They'll ask. What you should say? 20. How many number of temporary teeth you are having? 20. And this temporary teeth can also be called as milk teeth. What? We can say temporary teeth or milk teeth. Understood? Newborn baby will have no teeth. From the age of 6 months onwards, teeth will be started to coming, okay. And when the baby or boy comes to 3 years, they will have the milk teeth or temporary teeth. How many they will be there? 20, okay. After 3 years, that means after your LKG completed, by the age of 6 years, means now you are having 6 years, I think so, no? By the age of 6 years, what will happen means, all these temporary teeth, that is milk teeth are there, no, they will be going one after one, they will be losing our milk teeth, okay. Next what will happen? We will lose this tooth and we will get one more tooth, that are only called as permanent teeth, okay. One time only our tooth all will be gone. Again later we will get new one, no, those will be not gone forever, your lifelong, those only will be there, okay. When you will get this permanent teeth at the time of 6 years, one after one it will start losing your teeth, okay. And these type of teeth are called what? Permanent teeth, okay. And by the time when you get 21 years, how many years? When you get the 21 years, you will become very big, no? That time how many teeth you will have means 32 teeth you will be having. That 32 teeth are called what? Permanent teeth. How they will be there? In upper jaw 16 will be there, in lower jaw 16 will be there, okay. These are called as the permanent teeth. How many permanent teeth are there in total means 32 you should say. In upper jaw 16 and lower jaw 16. If they ask you how many temporary teeth or milk teeth are there means what you should say? 20. In upper jaw you will have 10. In lower jaw you will have 10. 10 plus 10, 20, that are milk teeth. Okay. When you will get that at the time of 3 years, you will get the temporary teeth or milk teeth, okay. 3 years. And next, by the time of 21 years, how many you will get? 32 permanent teeth you will be having, okay. Next, till now we have learned about what is meant by temporary teeth and permanent teeth, no. Now we all have got what? Permanent teeth. Now we shall learn about the different types of permanent teeth. Okay, these permanent teeth total how many are there? I told 32. These 32 teeth will be in 4 different types. Okay, now we shall learn about each type. The first type is what? Incisors. Why these all teeth are useful? One type of teeth will be having different functions. Okay, with the help of this all the 4 types of teeth only we can be able to eat all the different types of food. First one is what? Incisors. Where these incisors will be present means these are our front teeth. Front you will have no big teeth. When we open our mouth, first teeth what we can see? Front teeth you can see, no? Okay. How many means 4. 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. These are called as the incisors. Okay. When you open your mouth, you can see front teeth 4. In upper jaw 4 and lower jaw 4. Up 4 plus down 4. How many? 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. So how many incisors will be there in our total permanent teeth? Out of 32, 8 are the incisors. In 8, 4 will be in upper jaw, 4 will be in the lower jaw. Now how they will be there we shall see. They will have sharp flat edges. Flat means what? Evenly. All will be equal. They will be very sharp. Why? Because those are useful for cutting and biting. Biting ante కొరకడం. Suppose if you eat a chicken piece, but what you'll eat with the help of this incisors only, you'll bite that and later with the help of side teeth you will chew, నవ్వులుతారు. Yes or no? So these incisors where they will be present means front side, okay, front side evenly they will be have and they will be very sharp. With the help of these incisors what we'll do, we will cut and bite our food. That's why these incisors they have given other name as what means cutting teeth. Why? Because they are useful for cutting, no, whatever food we are eating they are cutting. So incisors are also called as cutting teeth. Okay, if they ask how many incisors are there, what you should say? 8. 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. Why they are useful means for cutting and biting our food. Okay, next one is what? Canines. Okay, beside these incisors only canines will be present. See how this will be there means pointed, long and sharp teeth. After the front 4 teeth side, how it will be there? కొత్తగా షార్ప్గా ఉంటాయి కదా నాన్న. Point if now if for carnivorous how it will be there? Pointed teeth will be there, no, like that only we will also have beside the incisors pointed teeth. How many will be there? After this 4 teeth, 2 will be there in the upper jaw and 2 will be there in the lower jaw beside the incisors. So total how many are there? 2 in upper, 2 in lower. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. So how many canine teeth are there? 4. Why these canines are useful for us means for tearing the food into small pieces. Okay, whatever food is there they will tear into the small pieces. That's why this teeth is called as what? Tearing teeth. Okay, I told incisors 8 will be there, they are used for cutting, so they are called as cutting teeth. Canines how many are there? 4 are there, they are used for tearing, so these are called as what? Tearing teeth. Okay, now shall we move to other one? Incisors is completed, canines is completed. Next one is what? Premolars. Third type of teeth in the permanent teeth is premolars. Okay, premolars means what? Now incisors beside canines is there, I told. After canines what will be there? These premolars will be there. These also will be very flat teeth. Beside the canines they will be there. Inside we can see, when we open our mouth side onwards we can see, these are the premolars. How many will be there? 4 will be there in upper jaw, 4 will be there in the lower jaw. Means total how many are there? 8. Okay, incisors also 8 are there, premolars also 8 are there, remember. Okay, how many incisors means 8 only, premolars also 8 only. Where they will be there? Beside the canines. First incisors beside canines, canines beside premolars. Why these are useful for us means for crushing and grinding the food. They will make the food into paste. These premolars teeth, okay, whatever food you eat they will grind it into paste. Okay, they are bigger and stronger than the incisors and canines. Yes or no? Inside our teeth will be how much strong? The odapalla side enta strong untayi nana. Why? Because we should make that food into paste. So these are so much stronger compared to the incisors and canines. So these are also called as cracking teeth. What is the other name of premolars? Cracking teeth. How many premolars are there in totally means 8 you should say. 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. Why they are useful means for crushing and grinding the food. Okay, next one is what? Molars. What is the next one? Molars, last one. This is the last type of teeth. How many are there? These one 6 in each jaw means what? Upper jaw 6 and lower jaw 6. Total how many are there? 12. Where these are present? Beside the premolars. First we will have, when we open our mouth, what will have? Incisors. Next beside the incisors will have canines. Next beside the canines will have premolars. After premolars last teeth will be there, inside, near our tongue side inside. Those are called as the molars. How many will be there? 6. 6 in the upper jaw, 6 in the lower jaw. So total how many are there? 12 jaw. 12. Total 12 teeth are there. And these teeth will be very stronger compared to all the incisors, canines and premolars. Why? Because these are the end teeth, With the help of that we will chew it. Okay, repeated times we will chew it and we will make into paste and we will send inside. These are very strong teeth. Okay, why they are useful means you should say they are useful for chewing the food. And the other name of the molars is what means grinding teeth. What is the other name for molars? Grinding teeth. Okay, these are about the 4 types of the tooth. First one is the incisors, next one is the canines, next is the premolars, next is the molars. First incisors, how many are there? I told 8 are there. They are also called as cutting teeth. Incisors are also called as cutting teeth and they are useful for cutting and biting. Next one is what? Canines. Okay. These how many are there? 4. Upside 2, lower side 2. See, finally all about this I am writing, you see. How many permanent teeth are there? First means, see, I am writing detailedly, you see. How many permanent teeth we are having means 32, you should say. Milk teeth means 20. Okay, milk teeth is 20. Now we shall learn about the permanent teeth. I told this about 4 types. First type is what? Incisors. Okay, first one is what? Incisors. How many incisors we are having means you should say 8. 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. What is the other name of the incisors means what? You should say incisors are also called as cutting teeth. Okay. Second one now. Second one is what I told, canines. What is the second type of tooth? Canines. How many are there? These are 4 only. Beside the incisors there will be there. These are 4. What is the other name of canines teeth means they are called as the tearing teeth. Okay. Tearing teeth. Next, third one is what? Premolars. Third type of right. Okay. Third type of teeth is what? Premolars. How many premolars will be there? I told children 8. Remember, this incisors and premolars will be same. Incisors are 8, premolars are 8. Remember that point. Okay. Both incisors and premolars are same. What is the other name for premolars? I told for you. Cracking teeth. Okay, premolars are also called as cracking teeth. Okay, next one is what? Fourth one. Our last type of tooth is what? Molars. Okay, last type of teeth is molars. How many molar teeth are there? 12 are there. Okay, and these molars are also called as what? Grinding teeth. Okay, this is about the all types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors and premolars will be 8, canines will be 4, molars will be 12. What is the other name for incisors means you should say cutting teeth. What is the other name for canines means you should say tearing teeth. Premolars other name is cracking teeth, and the last one molars other name is grinding teeth. These are about the 4 different types of teeth in the permanent teeth. Okay, one more point. See here. See, teeth are how much important means if anybody died. Okay, this here picture is there. Now, what is the picture of this means teeth only. Some scientists, what they have done means they have done research, and the people who have died some thousands of years ago, they have took their teeth and sawn. Okay, then what happened in their body? Any bones are not there. Okay, everything is lost in the body, only teeth are left. And before 1000 years how their teeth are there, now also their tooth are there, like that only it's some. Okay, in the body everything, bones, muscles, flesh, nothing is there who have died before thousands of years ago. But what is remained? Only this tooth are remain, and they are like that only strong even now also. Okay, that much importance this teeth is having. Okay, this is the hardest part. Okay, and forever it will be there. Even if you die also, for even thousands of years later also, teeth will be like that only. Okay, in today's class what we have learned, there will be 2 sets of teeth, that is temporary teeth and permanent teeth. temporary teeth can also be called as milk teeth. Okay, how many they will be there? 20 will be there. 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. When they will get temporary teeth means when the child gets 3 years old, they will get temporary teeth. And the next one is permanent teeth. By the age of 21 years, total 32 teeth permanent will be getting, 16 in the upper jaw, 16 in the lower jaw. And we have learnt about the types of permanent teeth. What are they? There will be how many types? 4. First one is incisors, second one is canines, third one is the premolars, and the last one is the molars. First incisors, how many will be there means you should say 8. The other name for incisors is cutting teeth, and for what purpose they are useful means for cutting and biting the food. Okay, cutting and biting the food. Second one is canines. Canines will be 4, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. The other name for canines is tearing teeth. Okay, why they are useful means same purpose. What I told, other name of teeth, that only, for purpose also that only. These are called as tearing teeth. They are useful for tearing, so they are called as tearing teeth. Next, premolars, how many will be there? 8. Incisors, premolars, same, remember 8 only will be there both. 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. They are useful for crushing and grinding the food. They make the food into paste. The other name for premolars is what? Cracking teeth. Next one is what? Molars. How many molars are there? 12. 6 in the upper jaw, 6 in the lower jaw. Why they are useful? For chewing the food. Okay. The other name for this is what? Grinding teeth. Okay children, in this lesson we have learnt about the temporary teeth and permanent teeth. No, in the next class we shall learn about how the teeth will be there. Okay, what will be present in the teeth, what are the parts of teeth, everything we shall learn about teeth. Okay, this is about the different types of the permanent teeth. We shall meet in the next class. If you are having any doubts, again you can listen the video where you have struck. Listen it again, you can understand it clearly. If some hard words are there for you, you can learn them. I will give also. After completing this lesson, whole hard words and notes I will give, and by evening I will send you the notes of first lesson. Okay, thank you children. Bye.